Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a god bikini. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a god bikini. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I said that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I said that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Why you don't like? Why you don't want black
Because
people?
you're smelly and you're dark skinned.
Okay, so
You should leave. You should go back to your country. You should work for your country and build your own country.
where are you from?
I am from China.
What's your name?
We don't welcome you here, please.
What's your
Kill
name?
yourself. I don't want to talk to you.
What's
Kill
your
yourself.
name?
I feel bad to see you.
What's your
You guys
name?
fucking gorillas.
What's your name? What do you do? Hey.
Go back to your country. Go back to your country, nigger. We don't welcome black people. Black people should go. Go back to Africa. You look so fucking ugly with some dark skin color. 回到非洲去好吗？ Go back to your country. Nigger. Do you eat watermelon? I'm going to send this to my boyfriend because he's white and he's your master.
So Jamaica, the government say crime fall, right? They were in power for 9 years. And now 2025, we are in an election year. And you telling me that from January 2025 to April 29, crime just make a sudden dip. So it beg me to ask this question. Why you all never make the crime fall 5 years ago, 6 years ago, 7 years ago? What was the reason? Or is the crime really falling as they said? You see? But Jamaica, I got on a few platforms a little while ago and I asked the question. Who speak for the innocent victims of police violence? And the people them over there, you know what I mean? If you say, oh, PNP pay me. The People's National Party has never paid me $1 to speak. I am not speaking on behalf of the People's National Party. I'm speaking of the half of the innocent Jamaicans. Who get them teeth licked out? Who get them home invaded? Who get them life taken? Who get kicked down and drag out a car and beaten and abused in a jail cell by police? I just ask Jamaica, who speak for those victims? Don't come tell me say, me I support criminal. Come me never say, who speak for the criminals? Me never say that. I'm asking the question. Can Labour rightfully done see now? Can me just over them page? And Uncle Tinen can come with both. Lord Jesus, PNP send him. You see? Don't say nothing until the crime reach your doorstep. You see? Some of the very same people, when I used to say, cooperate, if you see a crime, tell the crime. That means I expect say only for cooperate with the police against the criminals. Didn't much time I said, see something, say something because it could be your family. Eh? Didn't I not come out here and say too? You must do on the jury duty. Huh? Do on the jury duty. For what's right. But somehow, all of you can do a walk on the labor right ship. Because you're not going to get a box of curry goat. I mean, here say Andrew got upgrade on it to oxtail. Yeah. So I can't call on the curry goat box supporters again. I may hope this time when I get the food in a plate and not in a box. Yeah. But Jamaica, who speak for the innocent victims? That's all I say. But nobody want to answer. I say I go on over 10 platform and ask a question to the labor right them. And nobody want to answer. Who speak for the innocent victims? Who is going about their business and get assaulted by police? These victims has never have a police record, never have a runnings with the law. And why I speak from this point, Jamaica, because I am that victim. I am that victim. And you very same people, like on the spot, when I said, Dotty, when the police try to analyze me, on the spot news me that would have been one of the same people who come said, Dotty Corner boy from East Kingston get dashed by police. When in truth and in fact, is a decent citizen. Anybody out of East Kingston can tell you about Fidel Castro. I don't have no crime under my belt. Anybody out of East Kingston can tell you about me, Fidel Castro, Cardo Mike. Yeah? So, this is why I'm talk about. This is why I'm have to speak up so forceful. Because I've been there. I've been there. I know what it is for mistaken identity. I know what it is for bad-minded police. I know what it is. Big up all of the decent police them. When me and don't have relationship. From ever since. Big up all of the good police them. Big up Farmer Assistant Commissioner Farbs. Big up Officer Brown. And many other police. Me and them have good relationship. Me go in a station and check them and reason with them. And sometimes a little youth get trouble and he was able to go to the police and say, listen, his father dead when he was picnic and his mother migraine. See if he give him some counseling. And the police will take them time out. Instead of them all them off of jail and beat them up, the police would say, big up all the police at Rallington Town Police Station. Big up the police them at Vineyard Town Police Station from back then, when me and you have good relationship. So when you not hear me come out, people know say, me not come out as a fight against police. There is corruption in the police force. But Jamaican want to make it be about politics. Drugs that come through Ian Fleming's airport. When you go to Norman Manley Airport, sometimes you smell the weed that come out of the police station. How many crimes you can put in a handpan and 100% sure is the police? The evidence is there. So what I say? Here Jamaica plane get all of Miami. All of Miami. Who put it on the plane? Police. So when you come out here so and I come go like say, we just come talk about done against police, and we're against police. We're not against the decent, professional, law-abiding police. We're talking about the corrupt police them. We analyze the little scammer them, because them not get them much pay. Me just speak on the truth. Some man in Jamaica now, you see some man, we are support this madness. And I label everybody pick me as criminal. Me say, I can't wait for the crime reaching the doorstep. My God, I can't wait. I can't wait for suit up on TV and beg. For somebody say, come, Jamaica for justice. The police just kick me door in. Can't wait for it happen to the nastiness. Tivoli Garden people. Don't forget what I'm doing. Come on, Tivoli people. You know, labor right. Come on. Let me draw on the men because we don't forget. Huh? Don't remember our police? We don't talk about the politics. We talk about the police. You don't remember how they never show mercy to them? Tivoli people are lying, me I tell. When me see we are going to Tivoli, when me go down to Tivoli, and me see it, I couldn't believe me think it was a war zone. So Jamaica, that's why me there. There is where me is Jamaica. All we are say, police, just do right by the people, the man. When you take on criminal, we don't have nothing to say. Criminal and police are going to have them differences and them are going to settle the matter. And the police always going to turn out 99.9% victorious over the criminals. We never police have a good against you for fight crime. Never. Never. But we are say, be mindful. I see you kick down grandpa. I see you box down woman. Come on. Cast a thin skin. We are the Jamaicans. Let go the politics out of this and let this be about Jamaicans. I said so. Time come.
Sees that
Together, we will build a safe, secure, and just Jamaica.
If it's a special
We end the year at 1,000 murders.
no, you're not. But here is the confusion.
No. I just want to just hear me. Jamaica, remember to add all the bodies that have accumulated by the targeted killings, unresolved and uninvestigated or in the process of investigation. A Jamaican life is a Jamaican life. And I'm going to take my platform as a human rights attorney to say that every life counts. Every single life counts. And because I know that the justice system works, and I will forever champion and advocate, even when nobody tell me to do so, that I believe in the justice system in Jamaica. And certainly, once a person has the right lawyer, they will be okay.
But there is an argument.
Go ahead.
There's a school of thought in the police force that the conviction rate is very low when them carry the criminals to court. So the best way of doing so is to weed them out and eliminate them.
No,
That's
sir. No. Let me tell you something. You have, and this is why I'm telling you why I cannot just sit back and pretend like the JCF is riddled with corruption, because it isn't. More corruption is in the government right now.
More corruption in the government than
of course, corruption, nasty corruption in the government. And let me tell you, it is more important for this government to worry about hickey and neck than people that walk around very illicit.
what?
Yeah.
What
Be
is that?
major in the minor.
And
when it comes up.
Send it back. But listen, no. And, watch that.
can I make a disclaimer?
Go ahead.
Somebody asked me tonight if it's icky me up why I wear this clothes.
Is it? Is it?
Sandy, look now. Sandy, look. When you see any Jamaica, I don't know what a mosquito bite.
Now you see, we now make nobody breach your right to privacy. Cover it up. Send it back.
No Jamaica.
But where they come from, send it back, send it back. Every evil arrow, anywhere he come from, send it back. If a China, if a Jamaica, if a Haiti, where he come from, we send it back. Turn, reverse the curse, reverse the curse, reverse the order, reverse the curse, reverse the order. Somebody say, reverse the curse, yeah. Reverse the order. Somebody reverse the curse. Reverse the order over Jamaica. Reverse the curse, mighty God. Reverse the order. If a king's house, if a garden house, if a the prime minister, if a the opposition, if a politician, if a the liar.
What a song sweet.
Yeah, so just making that clear. We must.
There's a government that is more caught up with icky than the illicit.
Yes, man. Nobody brave enough to say, listen, if you're illicit, don't come in here. Resign. No memo come out about that. But the most important thing I'm saying is this. There are police officers that are they're heartbroken because it makes their job difficult to engage citizens. Mm-hmm. There are police officers, including there are police officers that believe in God and believe that life is sacred. I'm telling you that I went to church with them with many of them on Sunday. Just know that. Yes, man. And I'm just letting you know that. And there are officers who want to engage with the public. There are officers who are very sad and horrified by the use of force. And
talk about that, Peter Bunting even has spoken tonight that there are departments in this country that is not getting the support for them to do their work.
FID.
The Financial Investigative Division, Jamaica. You remember the Integrity Commission had asked the Financial Investigative Division, right, Isat and Ishmael, to carry a further investigation to the illicit enrichment of the Prime Minister.
So is this
but apparently the FID is not getting that. Listen to this, what Peter Bunting is saying tonight. Listen to what Peter Bunting is saying tonight. Listen to this.
The opposition spokesman on national security is insisting that resources are being withheld from the Financial Investigations Division FID to fight financial crimes such as money laundering. Peter Bunting was speaking at a recent constituency meeting in central Kingston. He indicated that the Integrity Commission report into the statutory declarations of Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has been referred to the FID.
That report was referred to the Financial Investigation Division. But what we have learned, not through this government, but through the International Narcotics Report that's published by the USA, is that the FID has been starved of resources. Their staff complement is now only one third of what it should be. They have no director. They have an acting director who is the IT manager, not an investigator. So what we see is that the organization has been stripped of staff and resources, and I leave you
to draw your own conclusions.
The March 2025 U.S. International Narcotics Control Strategy Report states that the FID reports a reduction in defensive suspicious transaction filings due to technological improvements and training. Financial and human limitations continue to hinder efforts to investigate and prosecute money laundering. The U.S. report indicates that the FID has 83 staff members as of October 2024, well short of its target of 230 employees. From January to March 2014, 11 persons were prosecuted and 8 convicted for financial crimes. $1.9 million in criminal assets have been seized.
You heard that? An office that should have Isat a staff complement of 230 persons only has 80 persons operating in the top lane.
I know a ministry when nobody in there and that is a whole ministry.
You mean constitutional affairs?
Yeah, so nothing new.
Seriously?
So they're starving that department.
64% chart in Andre.
Pardon me?
64%. If it were a percentage, it would be 64%.
Remember, I'm not a mathematician. I'm a speaker. I'm an orator. I'm not a mathematician. So I don't know. Somebody asked me why your neck covered tonight.
In a cover, I just showed me that you're in a cover, man.
Oh, because them know about your ways, you know.
What ways? Okay.
But Jamaica.
A beer atomic bomb I drop it on the show, yeah. Courtney, you have to go link with the breaking news. Hickey police step on site.
But when you think of it, Jamaica, in all fairness, Jamaica, Bunting has a point. Ever since the Prime Minister has been sent to be investigated by the Financial Investigative Division, they don't have no money to do it and they don't have the human resource. Don't you not find it strange? But you know, when I saw it, I was like, I don't find it strange. I think it is deliberate. I believe it is deliberate, Jamaica, because in this them being deliberate, they are now able to, one, stifle the investigation, and this investigation is inconclusive. But then, Isat and Ishmael, I want to ask you all a question tonight, and a serious question. People are asking me that I should have a series on this and carry how much people. I don't need to carry a whole heap of people to make learned people respond to this question. Ishmael, should Andrew Holness be on a ballot?
No.
Why Andrew Holness should
Why
be
ask
on a
such an easy question? I think I want a hard question, like it complex. You can't be on a ballot, Andre.
I said
for more than one reasons.
I said, should Andrew Holness be on a ballot?
If we dep on the ballot, so Mark can step in his face. Yes. Because me don't want him to do like Mr. Rowley and walk away. So when the ship are sink, I want him stay on this ship here, so he can feel the beating. See them here, see them here, see them here. You see it? Yeah, see that?
In the 90s, somebody never did that, Andre. Same thing where Isaac just do.
Who in the 90s did that? PJ?
No. Do it again. Do it again.
Woman stuff.
No. Do it again. Do it again. Somebody never do that.
I don't know.
Bruce! Uncle Bruce!
Oh, Bruce did that. Okay.
No, man. Who cross the floor? We do it. And broke it.
Oh, you're talking about Samuda. Samuda who giving them problem over there, you know.
Oh, no go on the false promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office. On the things that we are novice. On the better listen to this. Vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly people that vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly. Cause when they win them a go dump way. Marky G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk to we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk to we. Yes, go march to we. Because we have some guy with them on a intention. Leading the country in the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do a wedding call the election. Vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. So we a tell them promptly people that vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them